Welcome to Roundabout Creations. Maths is easy. Let's learn maths in an easy and interesting way. Do subscribe our channel. Today we are going to learn about Standard 8 Maths Chapter 1 Rational Numbers. So welcome dear students. Let's go into the exercise 1.1. So here in this video only sum number 1 to 5 is explained. That's the reason it's part 1. So you can watch part 2 for the remaining sums. Do check the description box for the math solving sums of the other classes and for other chapters of Standard 8. Okay, let's learn about what is rational number. So we have already learned about natural numbers, whole numbers and integers. So N represents natural numbers, W represents whole numbers and Z represents integers. So here all the numbers are segregated as either two parts. The one is rational number and the other one as irrational number. So we are going to see what is this rational number connected to what we have already learned. So here you can again segregate rational number into two parts. One as integers and the other number is non-integers. So integers, we know that integers are natural numbers, whole numbers and negative numbers. That is Z is integers. So natural numbers starts from 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Whole numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and goes on. Integers, negative numbers, 0 and positive numbers are integers. So all whole numbers comes under integers. Then what comes under non-integers? Non-integers are decimal or fractional numbers. So again here in fractional and decimal numbers, you have terminating decimals. That is, when you divide a number by another number of fraction, if their decimal stops, you get a terminating decimal. For example, if you take 5 by 2, 5 by 2 is 2.5. So it's a terminating, it doesn't continue. Whereas if you take 10 by 3, it goes on 3.33333 keeps repeating. So such type of decimals are called as recurring decimals. So when decimals and fractions are not terminating and if they are not recurring, then they come under irrational number. Examples of irrational number are the value of pi, root 2, root 3, root 5. All these are irrational numbers. So we are going to learn what is rational number. So here we know that integers and non-integers, that is decimals and fractions, are also rational numbers. So rational numbers can be represented in the form of A by B, that is in the form of fraction where the denominator is not equal to 0. So here is the definition of rational number. So a number that can be expressed in the form of A by B where A and B are integers and B is not equal to 0 is called a rational number. So since it is integers, it can be both positive and negative number. So all natural numbers, whole numbers, integers and fractions are rational number. All terminating and repeating decimals, repeating or otherwise we call them as recurring decimals, are rational numbers. A rational number is said to be in the standard form. When do you say that a rational number is the standard form? When, if its denominator b is a positive digit. So when you have b, it should be a positive integer and HCF of a and b, that is the numerator and denominator, should be 1. It is to be reduced to the lowest term in simple form. So define the rational number between two rational numbers. You use the formula half into a plus b. So now we move into the exercise. So as we do the sums, we will learn what is the definition of it. Now fill in the blanks. Minus 19 by 5 lies between the integers. When you divide minus 19 divided by 5, you get minus 3.8. So minus 3.8 lies between minus 3 and minus 4. The decimal form of the rational number 15 by minus 4. They are asking you to write it in the decimal form. So when you divide, you get minus 3.75. The rational number minus 8 by 3 and 8 by 3 are equidistant from. Since both the denominators are same, so minus 8 and 8 are equal distance from 0. The next rational number in the sequence. So when you look at the number, you can see the numerators are multiples of 5 and the denominators are multiples of 8. So 5, 10, 20, 15, 20, 25, the next number will be 30. Since here you have one negative, one positive, one negative, the numerator will be a positive number. 24, 32, 40, 48, which is negative. So it's 30 by minus 48. The standard form of 58 by 78, minus 78. So here the denominator has a negative sign. So transfer the sign to the numerator and reduce it to the lowest term. So when you reduce it to the lowest term, you get the answer minus 29 by 39. True or false? 0 is the smallest rational number. False, because even integers are rational numbers. So negative numbers are also rational numbers. Minus 4 by 5 lies to the left of minus 3 by 4. So minus 4 by 5 is minus 0.8 and minus 3 by 4 is minus 0.75. 0.8 is less than 0.75, so it lies left of minus 3.4. It is true. Minus 19 by 5 is greater than minus 15 by minus 4. Minus 19 by 5 is minus 3.8 and 5 by minus 4 is minus 3.75, which is a greater number. So it is false. The average of two rational numbers lies between them. True. The average of the numbers is between the two numbers. There are an unlimited number of rational numbers between 10 to 1. Yes. So 10.1, 10.2, 10.3, even 10.01. All those numbers are there. So an unlimited number of rational numbers lie between 10 and 11. So the statement is true. Find the rational numbers expressed by the rational number by each of the questions marked on the following number line. So look at the number line here. You have minus 3. The arrow mark is between minus 3 and minus 4. And minus 3 to minus 4 is divided into 3 parts, 1, 2 and 3. So when it is divided into 3 parts, the arrow is locating at the second position. So when you write it as a whole number, you write it as minus 3, 2 by 3. That is, minus 3 is the whole number and 2 is the position where it is located and 3 is the number of parts it's divided into. So minus 3, 2 by 3. Now convert this into an improper fraction. You get minus 11 by 3. Look at the next one. Lies between 0 and minus 1. So and it is divided into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parts in which the second position is located. So the answer is minus 2 by 5. Since 0 is there, 0 has no value, so we are not writing 0 as the whole number. The next number lies between 1 and 2 and it is divided into 1, 2, 3, 4 parts and the arrow is located in third position. So 1, 3 by 4 is the answer. And when you convert it into an improper fraction, you get 7 by 4. The points S, Y, N, C, R, A, T, I and O on the number line are such that Cn is equals to Ny is equals to Ys and Ra is equals to At equal to Ti equal to Io. Find the rational numbers represented by the letters Y, N, A, T and I. Y is more than 1 and 1 minus 1 to minus 2 is divided into 3 parts, 1, 2, 3 and Y is located in the second position. So minus 1, 2 by 3 is the answer for Y, which you convert into improper fraction, you get minus 5 by 3. N is in the first position. So minus 1, 1 by 3, you get minus 4 by 3. A is over this side, which is between 2 and 3, and it's divided into 1, 2, 3, 4 parts. And A is in the first position. So 2, 1 by 4, which is 9 by 4. T, 2, 2 by 4, which is 10 by 4. And I, 2, 3 by 4, which is 11 by 4. Draw the number line and represent the following rational numbers on it. Now you have 4 questions. I'm going to represent all the 4 numbers in one single number line. For that, let me first get the mixed numbers of the given number. A is 9 by 4 and converting into a mixed number which gives 2, 1 by 4. 4 will divide 9 2 times, the remainder 1 in the numerator and 4 in the denominator. B minus 8 by 3. 3 will go into 8 2 times, remainder 2, 2 by 3. So minus 2, 2 by 3. Third one, minus 17 by minus 5. So minus and minus becomes plus. So you get 3, 2 by 5. And D, 15 by minus 4 is minus 3, 3 by 4. Now let's draw the number line. So where you have the numbers 0, 1, 2. The positive numbers are on the right and the negative numbers are on the left. So now we are going to look at the number in the value. Okay, so first position A. When you take A is 9 by 4, which is between 2, 1 by 4. So 2 and 3, I am going to divide it into 4 parts. So 1, 2, 3, and the fourth position is 3. So now your point is 2, 1 by 4. So this is the point of A. 2, 1 by 4 is your A. So next I am going to go to B. B is between minus 2 and minus 3 and it's divided into 3 parts. So 1, 2 and 3. And then it is in the second position. So 1, 2. So this is the position of B. So B is minus 2, 2 by 3. Now C is plus 3. So it's between 3 and 4. 3 and 4 and 3 and 4 should be divided into 5 parts. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and the fifth part is the line 4 itself. And second part is the location. So here I mark for C. And next we are coming to D, which is minus 3, 3 by 4, which is greater than minus 3. So now minus 3 to minus 4 is divided into 4 parts. 1, 2, 3, and the fourth position is this. So minus 3, 1, 2, 3. So here you get your arrow mark, which is the position of D. So A, 9 by 4 is here. B, minus 8 by 3. C, minus 17 by minus 5. And D, minus 3, 3 by 4. Now we move on to the next one. Write the decimal form of the following rational numbers. 1 by 11. So here you have to divide 1 by divided by 11. So when you divide 1 divided by 11, let me show here at the side for you. 1 divided by 11. So 11 will not go into 1. So you put a 0 and put a decimal point and add a 0 to it. 11 will not go into 10. So again another 0. Then you add another 0 here. Now 11 will go into 100 9 times, which is 99. And again you get the remainder to be 1. What happens? 11 will not go in 1. So you add a 0 and add a 0 here. Again it will not go into 10. So add another 0. It will go 9 times. So you get 99 and it keeps on repeating. So here how much ever you divide, you're going to get 0, 9, 0, 9, 0, 9. So your answer is 0.090909. Since 09 is repeating, we draw a bar over 09 to show that this block is kept on repeating. The next one, 13 by 4. So when you divide 13 by 4, 4 will divide 13 3 times. 3 and you will get remainder as 1. In 10 it will go 2 times 8 and in 20 it will go 5 times. So your answer is 3.25. Third one, minus 18 by 7. Again, when you follow the division for 18 by 7, you get the answer as minus 2.57428574428. It continues. So here we draw a block to show that 57428 keeps on repeating. 1, 2 by 5, convert it into an improper fraction. 5 ones are 5 plus 2, 7. 7 by 5 is equals to 7 divided by 5, which will give you 1.4. And minus 3.5 gives you minus 7 by 2, which is minus 7 divided by 2. You get minus 3.5. And there we come to the end of this blog. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe our channel, like and share with your friends. Hope this video was useful for you. Thank you for watching Raghava Creation. Maths is easy. The following sums up will be put in the next video. Do check the description box for the link.